Return on equity, or ROE, measures how efficiently a company uses your investment to generate profit. Let's see how it works. At its simplest, ROE is just the company's net income divided by the total equity held by shareholders. While every industry is different, a benchmark of around 15% is often seen as a sign of a healthy, profitable business. ROE helps you peek under the hood, showing you whether a company is actually creating value or just burning through cash. Don't confuse this with return on assets. ROE only looks at shareholder money, while ROA looks at the entire pool of company assets. Context matters. Tech companies often show higher ROE because they need fewer physical assets, while utilities typically show lower, stable returns. A word of caution: a high ROE can sometimes be a red flag if the company is just borrowing massive amounts of debt. Understanding financial metrics is the first step to smarter investing. Subscribe for more money basics, educational content, not financial advice.